This video is to help you set up your class portfolio using Pinterest. So first you'll need to go to the Pinterest page, just pinterest.com, and click sign up. You will be using your school Google account, so just click continue with Google and select your school account. So because I already had an account, I just went straight to this username icon when I went on my home page, which you can just click that. However, if you are setting up an account for the first time, you'll be prompted to first allow permission for your Pinterest to link with your school Gmail account. Just click allow. And you can also complete the interest steps and survey that Pinterest has just to generate some things on your homepage that you're interested in. You don't have to do that, but you can. However, once you get to that homepage again, you'll just click on this icon, which has your name or username, and you'll just come here to your account and your board page. So once I'm here, I just need to click this plus sign on the left, and that's going to create a new board. And I'm going to name this Cake Portfolio, and then go ahead and leave the dates blank. Also make sure that on this option to keep the board a secret, that it is not on. You want to make sure that it's off, otherwise you won't be able to have fellow classmates collaborate on your board, and most importantly, I won't be able to see your board to grade it. So make sure that is not selected. And once you double check everything, you're good to go ahead and click create. And then they're going to generate some ideal pins that go with your topic, but you don't want to pick any of these because remember, you are creating your own portfolio. So I'm not going to add any pins to my board that are not mine. So once I'm here, I want to add a pin. So now I'm going to look for the plus symbol on the right side of my page, and I want to create a pin. So you will need to upload a photo. You can just drag and drop it in, or I had to email it to myself, and then I downloaded my email photo, so it's in my download file, and that's probably going to be the case for a lot of you as you get your pin photos on. So once I have my picture, I need to label my pin, and the pin name should be the project or assignment name that you worked on. So in this case, I'd put final. I'll go ahead and put final project. Okay, and then there's two different things that should be included in every pin. First should be your learning objectives, and second should be your reflection. So the learning objectives are going to state what your pin, what your photo is showing mastery of or progress in. So in this case, for this final project, it is showing gum paste flowers, it is showing use of fondant, and it is demonstrating tempered chocolate. So those would be those three learning objectives that are shown in that pin that I put up. Okay, and then I'd put a reflection on my project. So for example, I might include feelings and my own evaluation of my work, so how I think I did. Obviously, there's going to be things that I know about the process that aren't just going to be captured in simply looking at this photo. I also might put things I want to improve on, or I might evaluate how I have improved on those skills from maybe the beginning of the unit when I first started tempering chocolate to now when I have put it on my final project. So those are some examples of things that should be included in your reflection, self-evaluation and self-assessment of your work, how you feel you've come in the learning process itself, etc. And your reflection should be 1 to 2 paragraphs. It shouldn't be over that. Once you're done creating your pin, and I have my learning objectives and reflection on there, I'm just going to click save, and you can always double check that it's put on the correct board. So save that. So I'm just going to go ahead and go back to my boards. My pin is indeed on there. So I'm going to click this plus symbol in the middle next to my name and icon. So you're just going to enter my school email into the board, and then you're just going to click invite once you've entered that in. And once you share that with me, you have successfully set up your Pinterest portfolio.